So I needed a new kitchen faucet for my sink. So this is the Basdehen faucet. Here's the packaging that it comes in. And here is the faucet itself. The sprayer will come down. And here's your valve handle right here. This is a nice modern look. This also comes with a nice base plate to put on the bottom of your faucet. Now I'm going to install it on my sink and show you how it looks. Installation is super easy. You start by putting down your base plate. Then insert your faucet through the center hole, and then you screw it in from the bottom, and then you hook up the water lines that are included. Okay, we got our faucet installed. It's a nice little button here to pause your flow. You can switch your sprays right here. You got plenty of room. This swivels. This definitely freshened up my sink in the kitchen here. I really like how the faucet will pull down. Gives you plenty of room to wash dishes. The handle is very simple to use, and I like the easy controls. This is exactly what I needed to freshen up my sink, and you really can't beat the price on this either.